criminal jury trials going next week?
I think you have one with Ms. Powell. She's supposed to be showing up at 2:30.
Okay, good.
Rest of the motion is set for heartbeat.
Thank you, ma'am. See, Mr. Cobb. Okay, to the PD, Mr. Koch.
Yes, Your Honor. First of all, Mr. Kelvin Robinson, who's present and approaching in 24 CF 1385.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you. Your Honor, receive the information. Will be entered not guilty, waive formal reading, and request to be kept on that September 9th docket.
Okay. Mr. Robertson, I'll see you on September 9th at 9 o'clock. Make an appointment with the public defender and attend that appointment, okay?
Excellent.
Thank you.
Let's just make that appointment. All right. Yes, sir. Your Honor, I have another client. I believe he's ready now, Mr. Matthew Schellenker, if I pronounced that correctly.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Your Honor, we'll be entering not guilty, waive formal reading, request to be kept on the September 9th docket. Mr. Snell did provide me a PTI contract this morning.
Good.
So I've already had that discussion, but if we could just keep it on the September 9th docket.
Okay. I'll see you back here. If you don't enter the pretrial intervention program, I'll see you here on September 9th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're free to go. Okay. And Your Honor, that's all I had present in the courtroom.
Thank you, Mr. Koch. Mr. McKinney?
Judge, I don't believe I have anybody on the docket. The one case I had, Mr. Benson, I probably plead not guilty.
Okay. Thank you. The other folks in the gallery? If you're a defendant, if you'll come up to the lectern. Yes, sir. Come on up.
Eddie Tarver.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Tarver. If you'll come to the lectern.
I can show Mr. McKinney on that case.
Okay. Mr. McKinney?
Yes, sir. And we're set for an arraignment today, is that correct?
Yes.
We'll enter a plea of not guilty.
I'm not sure there's been any information filed.
I believe, and this is CAC with Ms. Berickman. I've spoken to her about this case. If an information hasn't been filed, if we could just place this on the next available arraignment date. We are moving forward with trying to resolve the matter as well.
Okay. So, Mr. Tarver, I'll see you back here on August 15th.
Yes, sir.
At 1:30. So, August 15th at 1:30.
An appointment to come to me. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
What's your name? Jace Solano.
Thank you. Hello, Mr. Solano.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
Your Honor, I believe this is no information has been filed. Correct? Okay.
They were filed.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor, I have two cases just been handed, the 24 CF 1383, the 24 CF 1384. I'll be entering not guilty on both those cases, Your Honor, for also waive formal reading, if we keep them all set for the September 9th docket.
Mr. Solano, are you related to Gina Solano? No. Okay. I'll see you back here on September 9th at 9 o'clock. If the state offers you something you want to accept before that date, then you can enter that plea before then. Mr. Koch can set it for a hearing. Okay? Thank you, sir.
I'll follow you out.
Madam Clerk, anybody else on 1:30?
I can give 3 of them. I know Mr. Koch is on 2 of them, and then the other one, Mr. Cobb is on.
Okay.
None of them are represented.
Okay.
Mr. Koch handled Matthew Schlenker,
Yes.
and that was set for 9/9.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Koch, I still have Dawn Perry.
Yes. Unfortunately, I do not see Ms. Perry. Do we know if the information has been filed?
Yes.
It has been? Okay.
Okay, who just came in?
That's Ms. Powell.
Oh, good, okay, got it, okay. Okay, then a capias will be issued for, and it's who,
Dawn Perry.
Miss Perry?
Yes.
And the first appearance judge will determine the bond.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then I have the one case with Jason Cobb on it, and then the other one I have is the inmate who's taking a plea, I believe.
Okay.
Thank you.
To the state, if you can get a hold of Mr. Cobb and make sure he's going to attend.
Yeah, absolutely.
We need Station Cobb right now.
I know, I remember.
On Zoom? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ms. Powell, on your case, I know that we've got, who's the prosecutor on your case? Okay, so when she gets here and y'all are ready, just let me know, okay? Oh,
I know my client's on it, but I just drove over from Tallahassee and
okay,
just came right to the parking lot. So
good, thank you, nice meeting you, ma'am.
it's nice to meet. I've been here a couple times, Judge.
Yes, ma'am, but it's been a
Nice
while.
to see you again.
Thank you,
We'll get to know each other well next week, I suppose.
sounds good.
Awesome.
Okay, so recess until 2:30.
And I think, yeah, I think you guys are just fine, I guess, I don't know. Just
Right.
that she's an inmate.
See, I get it. That's the answer. I get it. That's cool. No.
Mr. Koch, do you want to wait until 2:30 or do you want to do something now?
I'm ready for Ms. Jennifer Rodriguez.
Okay, please.
Judge. I got you. I told her, hey, I looked at meetings, you know, there's arraignments, and she's aware, but she's on board.
Hello again, Ms. Rodriguez.
Okay, excellent. And Your Honor, may I just have one brief moment?
Yes, sir.
I know we talked. I don't know about your other cases out there. Sure you possibly are in a good balance if this will make it. And because we're in a good day, we will have time to make it. Your Honor, this is Ms. Jennifer Rodriguez in 24 CF 1354. It was set for arraignments today and an offer was conveyed. My client would like to enter a no contest plea. And she'll be adjudicated guilty as charged. 36 months standard probation. There's the $40 per month cost of supervision. $615 in court costs. $150 in defense costs. Must complete the substance abuse evaluation within 30 days, any recommended treatment within 60 days, 50 hours of community service, maintain gainful employment or 3 job applications per week. I'm going to have the state attorney signature.
Ms. Rodriguez, if you'll raise your right hand, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. You can put your hand down. Ms. Rodriguez, did you read the plea agreement?
I did.
Do you understand it?
Yes, I do.
Did you discuss it with your attorney?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did he answer all of your questions?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign the plea agreement?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mayor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ms. Rodriguez, I do accept your plea. You're adjudicated guilty. You're sentenced to 36 months probation. You'll need to submit to a substance abuse evaluation within 30 days from today. If any treatment's recommended, begin that within 60 days from today. You'll need to perform 50 hours of community service work, obtain gainful employment, or perform 3 job applications per week. Need to pay the $40 per month cost of supervision, $150 public defender's fee, and the court cost. Thank you, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, we addressed my 2 last cases?
Yes, sir.
First ones are, I believe you already addressed it, Mr. Patton, Monty Patton.
Is he on the 1:30 or
It
the?
was at 9 o'clock, and that was set for plea or trial, Your Honor.
You issued a case for Mr. Patton this morning, Judge.
Okay.
Okay.
Then my last case, Your Honor, well, also I have Mr. Benjamin Steen. Steen has a last name, S-T-E-E-N. He was set for the 9 o'clock docket, Your Honor. And Mr. Snell, this was the case where we had the witness, and you located her. I guess she was in the hospital, because we had 2 outstanding depositions where she failed to appear, Your Honor.
And it was stated for plea or continuance.
It is, Your Honor. My client's presence was required this morning.
Has he been in contact with you in the past?
He has, Judge, but I believe he has a warrant currently in a misdemeanor case with Judge Mason.
Okay,
So unfortunately, that's out there right now.
understand. So a KPS will be issued for Mr. Steen, and the first appearance judge will determine the bond.
Yes, Judge.
We still have that position, right?
Correct.
Let's keep moving forward.
Yes, and that's what I was going to tell the court. The witness was located. We've already had a deposition scheduled for August 26th.
So just continue this case until the next pretrial?
If we could do that?
Okay, let's do that, Madam Clerk.
So no cases?
No, there's still a KPS, but we'll have it set
Okay.
for September 9th.
Yes, sir.
All right.
It's an interesting situation where never mind.
So we'll move forward with it, and we'll continue our
This
deposition.
witness seems like a victim, but it's not a victim. It's
Okay.
interesting. So,
And then my last case should be last name Simmons, first name Nicholas.
Is that 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock, Judge. That was set for a plea this morning. We worked out, I have the plea form, it's going to be reduced to misdemeanors, but unfortunately, my client is not present.
And your client didn't sign the misdemeanor plea agreement?
He did not, Judge. It's
Okay.
unfortunate.
Okay, then a KPS will be issued for Mr. Simmons, and the first appearance judge will determine the bond.
Yes, Your Honor. And that should be all the cases with my name next to it.
Mr. Koch, including 2:30? Okay,
All right.
good. Thank you, Mr. Koch.
Excellent, thank you.
Anything else we can do before 2:30?
Mr. Cobb?
Mr. Snell, have you reached out to Mr. Cobb?
I sent him a text, yes, sir,
Okay,
and I have not gotten a response.
Okay.
I'm going to try to get him on the phone.
sure, that'd be great.
Is Scott coming back first 2:30?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, do you have another client? Hey, can you zoom in real quick? What's the client?
Who are the clients?
Nathan Nichols.
Is that the only one? Good.
Let's see if I can help him here.
Is Nichols on the 1:30?
It's on the 1:30, Judge.
Okay.
I'm going to docket.
24 CF 1381. It's an arraignment.
4 CF 1381.
And information's been filed?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Nathan Leo Nichols. He's in county jail, okay?
It's an arraignment?
Okay, all right.
Okay. Okay, good.
He's about to log on, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is Mr. Nichols here? Yes. Good, thank you.
Judge, I don't think I have anything further.
Good. Thank you, Mr. McKinney. Have a great weekend.
You as well.
Thank you.
Okay. Cool. And I talked to him, that's what we're gonna do. Could you sign this, because I'm gonna send it over to Zeta. I can just solution. Yeah. And I brought 2 other people.
I don't know what else I could do on this, because I even said,
And
You didn't make it very far, Mr. McKinney.
No, sir,
it's not.
but I will try to make an escape here shortly.
it's satisfying.
And I'm good, yes, it does.
I just feel less official on this side of the bar. Exactly.
Correct. So everyone's cool with this?
I mean, you know, the guy, corporate, that's our corporate headquarters.
I agree. Same thing on this one. Thanks for the contract. If I can just signature, because I'm gonna send all these people to Zeta for our next court date. That's it. You know?
Only one.
I agree. You said that with the contract.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision of Crestview. We've been providing excellent optical service for Northwest Florida for over 34 years. Come in and let us take care of you.
This was what I had her drafted, was
Oh, okay.
that's what that was. They told her, I was telling her what I wanted.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Man, I've got this. Let's roll. Fight fire with fire. Take one. Have you been injured in an accident and need righteous representation? Call us. Because we fight fire. Fire. Damn thing ain't working. Whoa! Not cool, bro.
I'm attorney Coy Browning. Personal injury is no joke. Just ask him.
Injured? Take a breath. Call Coy.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Well, the new Walton County, the new circuit judge seat that the governor and the legislature approved the financing for is going to be in Walton.
I know that I received it on July 1st. I haven't had a chance to go out to the jail to see Mr. Nichols, but I can assure him that as soon as I get back into town, I'll go see him to the jail and discuss his case and go forward with it. So I'm asking for September 9th.
Okay, does the state have an offer for Mr. Nichols? Hold on, Mr. Nichols.
I'm gonna need just a minute.
Sure. I mean, looking at the charge, you may have an offer that Mr. Nichols may want to consider.
Okay. Well, I can see him shaking his head. Yes?
I'd like to hear him.
That's fine. You have every right to hear that, sir.
It'd
probation, substance abuse evaluation, and treatment, 24 hours of community service work.
How about time? No probation on the time.
See, that's normally what I do, Mr. Nichols, but,
I don't play games.
I know.
I will give you an answer. Give me 30 seconds.
That's not a good thing for me.
Yes, 180 days.
I'll take that.
Okay, so, Mr. Nichols, if you'll raise your right hand, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? So help you God. Mr. Nichols, so if I accept, you said you wanted to accept the offer from the state of 180 days in the Okaloosa County Jail? Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand that you'd be waiving your right to a trial by jury?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, do you also understand that basically you're waiving your right to an attorney because you haven't met with one?
Yes, sir. I understand all of that.
Okay. So you'd be sentenced to 180 days in the Okaloosa County Jail with credit for time, your all time served on this case. You'd owe a court costs, would they be $515? $515, and I'd give you a period of time to pay that after you get out of jail. You'd be adjudicated guilty. Have you ever been adjudicated guilty of a felony before?
Yes, many times.
Okay. Mr. Nichols, any questions for me or Mr. Cobb or the state?
No, thank you.
Okay, hold on, Mr. Nichols, don't go anywhere, I haven't sentenced you yet.
Let's go.
Judge, I have one question.
Yes, sir?
Is that basically does he have 180 days in, Mr. Snell, or has he got more to do?
I believe you'd have more to do. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got more to do.
Okay, that's what I want to know. Thank you.
So, Mr. Cobb, do you want to withdraw from representing Mr. Nichols?
Yes, sir. At this time, I've moved to withdraw since, it's fair. He's basically negotiated a plea with Mr. Snell himself.
Yes, sir. So
And I'm not there.
that is granted. So, Mr. Nichols,
Thank
I
you,
do
sir.
accept your plea. You're adjudicated guilty. You're sentenced to 180 days in the Okaloosa County Jail with credit for all time served. You need to pay the court cost of $515. How long do you want to pay that after you get out of jail?
I already owe a bunch of fines, court fines, so as long as
Do you want it to go to immediately to a civil lien or judgment?
No.
You want 6 months to pay
6
it?
months or a year.
Okay.
'Cause
How about
I
a
have to
year?
pay on 2 of them
Okay.
to try to
Mr.
get my
Nichols,
license back.
if you fail to pay the $515 within 1 year after you're released, it will go to a civil lien or judgment.
Thank you.
Okay? Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Cobb.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Snell.
Take care, Jason.
Okay.
Okay, so we're in recess until 2:30. Thank you.
All rise, please.
What's in recess?
2:30.
You gonna lock up or you gonna let us go?
I'll stay here. What? It's okay. When the judge takes the bench,
Do you want to? I think.
she'll like need you, they want to need you, but we'll get that worked out.
Check out the soaps, bath bombs, and other bath and body products, all made by hand with natural ingredients at Hub City Soapery. Visit us at 1092 North Ferdon Boulevard in Crestview or or shop online at hubcitysoapery.com. Hub City Soapery.
This is Tiffany Woodham, State Farm's newest agent in Crestview. I'd like to personally invite you to stop by my office for a no-cost policy review. Let me help you start saving today. Call in, walk in, or click in at yourcrestview.agent.com.
Alex Barthay from the UPS store once again, and I wanted to let you know about our Sunday hours. We're open now 7 days a week. Normal hours that you've been expecting, but now we're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and that's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
For years, I proudly served Florida as a state trooper. During that time, I investigated over 1,000 car, motorcycle, and trucking crashes. My mission was simple, to help the victims. Now, as an injury attorney, I can do even more to help accident victims. Hi, I'm attorney Coy Browning. If you've been injured in a car accident, I'd be honored to help you. Call or visit us at browninglawfirm.com.
Hi, I'm Wanda Roberts. For the last 20 years, I've been helping the residents of Northwest Florida buy and sell their properties. My office is just 1 block south of the courthouse in historic downtown Crestview. Give us a call at 850-398-5389.
Hi, I'm Michael Gilbert, defense attorney with Warrior Law. I represent those accused in Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. If you or anyone you know has been accused of a crime, give us a call. We can help.
Hello, this is Chris Norman at Bulldog Bail Bonds. Our office is in Crestview, Florida, but we service 7 Northwest Florida counties. If you ever find yourself in a jam, please give us a call. We're here to help you out.
Congratulations, Crestview's very own Dixie Dan Powell of Powell Injury Law, for your recent jury verdict of $11.5 million for your client from a death and injury against an inflatable amusement company. Recognized in 2017 as one of the top 100 civil trial lawyers in the state of Florida, and Dixie is AV preeminent rated. Dixie Dan Powell works tirelessly for his clients, as is evident by this extraordinary verdict. If you're taking your case to trial, be prepared. contact Dixie Dan Powell and Powell Injury Law. 850-306-2667.
Back Home Bakery Cafe is 2 blocks from the courthouse on Crestview historic Main Street. We serve handmade pastries, espresso, and lunch items, and we're open Tuesday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., serving lunch from 11 to 2. We hope to see you soon.
Hello, I am Bonnie from Body Be Healthy here in Crestview. We have been serving the area since 1999. We're an alternative health food store. If you're interested in bettering your health, we'd like to invite you to stop by. We're located in Court Plaza. Stop by and let us help you be healthy.
I'm Amanda Gaskin with Briar Patch Realty. Helping qualifying heroes save money is my passion. When I help a hero buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer since 1999. We're state licensed and insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com. CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision of Crestview. We've been providing excellent optical service for Northwest Florida for over 34 years. Come in and let us take care of you.
Man, I got this. Let's roll. Fight fire with fire. Take 1. Have you been injured in an accident and need righteous representation? Call us. Because we fight fire. Damn thing ain't working.
Whoa! Not cool, bro. I'm Attorney Coy Browning. Personal injury is no joke. Just ask him.
Injured? Take a breath. Call Coy.
Check out the soaps, bath bombs, and other bath and body products, all made by hand with natural ingredients at Hub City Soapery. Visit us at 1092 North Ferdon Boulevard in Crestview or shop online at hubcitysoapery.com. Hub City Soapery.
This is Tiffany Woodham, State Farm's newest agent in Crestview. I'd like to personally invite you to stop by my office for a no-cost policy review. Let me help you start saving today. Call in, walk in, or click in at yourcrestview.agent.com.
Thursday from the UPS store once again, and I wanted to let you know about our Sunday hours. We're open now 7 days a week. Normal hours that you've been expecting, but now we're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and it's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
For years, I proudly served Florida as a state trooper. During that time, I investigated over 1,000 car, motorcycle, and trucking crashes. My mission was simple, to help the victims. Now, as an injury attorney, I can do even more to help accident victims. Hi, I'm attorney Coy Browning. If you've been injured in a car accident, I'd be honored to help you. Call or visit us at browninglawfirm.com.
Hi, I'm Wanda Roberts. For the last 20 years, I've been helping the residents of Northwest Florida buy and sell their properties. My office is just one block south of the courthouse in historic downtown Crestview. Give us a call at 850-398-5389.
Hi, I'm Michael Gilbert, defense attorney with Warrior Law. I represent those accused in Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. If you or anyone you know has been accused of a crime, give us a call. We can help.
Hello, this is Chris Norman at Bulldog Bail Bonds. Our office is in Crestview, Florida, but we service 7 Northwest Florida counties. If you ever find yourself in a jam, please give us a call. We're here to help you out.
Congratulations, Crestview's very own Dixie Dan Powell of Powell Injury Law, for your recent jury verdict of $11.5 million for your client from a death and injury against an inflatable amusement company. Recognized in 2017 as one of the top 100 civil trial lawyers in the state of Florida, and Dixie is AV preeminent rated. Dixie Dan Powell works tirelessly for his clients, as is evident by this extraordinary verdict. If you're taking your case to trial, be prepared. Contact Dixie Dan Powell and Powell Injury Law, 850-306-2667.
Back Home Bakery Cafe is 2 blocks from the courthouse on Crestvew's historic Main Street. We serve handmade pastries, espresso, and lunch items, and we're open Tuesday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., serving lunch from 11 to 2. We hope to see you soon.
Hello, I am Bonnie from Body Be Healthy here in Crestview. We have been serving the area since 1999. We're an alternative health food store. If you're interested in bettering your health, we'd like to invite you to stop by. We're located in Court Plaza. Stop by and let us help you be healthy.
I'm Amanda Gaskin with Briarpatch Realty. Helping qualifying heroes save money is my passion. When I help a hero buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer since 1999. We're state licensed and insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com. CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision of Crestview. We've been providing excellent optical service for Northwest Florida for over 34 years. Come in and let us take care of you.
Man, I got this. Let's roll. Fight fire with fire. Take one. Have you been injured in an accident and need righteous representation? Call us. Because we fight fire. Damn thing ain't working.
Oh! Not cool, bro. I'm attorney Coy Browning. Personal injury is no joke. Just ask him.
Injured? Take a breath. Call Coy.
Check out the soaps, bath bombs, and other bath and body products, all made by hand with natural ingredients at Hub City Soapery. Visit us at 1092 North Ferdon Boulevard in Crestview or shop online at hubcitysoapery.com. Hub City Soapery.
This is Tiffany Woodham, State Farm's newest agent in Crestview. I'd like to personally invite you to stop by my office for a no-cost policy review. Let me help you start saving today. Call in, walk in, or click in at yourcrestviewagent.com.
Alex Barthay from the UPS store once again, and I wanted to let you know about our Sunday hours. We're open now 7 days a week. Normal hours that you've been expecting, but now we're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and that's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
My mission was simple, to help the victims. Now, as an injury attorney, I can do even more to help accident victims. Hi, I'm attorney Coy Browning. If you've been injured in a car accident, I'd be honored to help you. Call or visit us at browninglawfirm.com.
Hi, I'm Wanda Roberts. For the last 20 years, I've been helping the residents of Northwest Florida buy and sell their properties. My office is just one block south of the courthouse in historic downtown Crestview. Give us a call at 850-398-5389.
Hi, I'm Michael Gilbert, defense attorney with Warrior Law. I represent those accused in Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. If you or anyone you know has been accused of a crime, give us a call. We can help.
Hello, this is Chris Norman at Bulldog Bail Bonds. Our office is in Crestview, Florida, but we service 7 Northwest Florida counties. If you ever find yourself in a jam, please give us a call. We're here to help you out.
Congratulations, Crestview's very own Dixie Dan Powell of Powell Injury Law, for your recent jury verdict of $11.5 million for your client from a death and injury against an inflatable amusement company. Recognized in 2017 as one of the top 100 civil trial lawyers in the state of Florida, and Dixie is AV preeminent rated. Dixie Dan Powell works tirelessly for his clients, as is evident by this extraordinary verdict. If you're taking your case to trial, be prepared. Contact Dixie Dan Powell and Powell Injury Law, 850-306-2667.
Cyclone Bakery Cafe is 2 blocks from the courthouse on Crestview's historic Main Street. We serve handmade pastries, espresso, and lunch items, and we're open Tuesday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., serving lunch from 11 to 2. We hope to see you soon.
Hello, I am Bonnie from Body Be Healthy here in Crestview. We have been serving the area since 1999. We're an alternative health food store. If you're interested in bettering your health, we'd like to invite you to stop by. We're located in Court Plaza. Stop by and let us help you be healthy.
I'm Amanda Gaskin with Briarpatch Realty. Helping qualifying heroes save money is my passion. When I help a hero buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview's Coney Islands burgers, and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestvew's Coney Island's burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer since 1999. We're state licensed and insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com. CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision of Crestview. We've been providing excellent optical service for Northwest Florida for over 34 years. Come in and let us take care of you.
Man, I got this. Let's roll. Fight fire with fire. Take one. Have you been injured in an accident and need righteous representation? Call us. Because we fight fire. Damn thing ain't working.
Whoa! Not cool, bro. I'm attorney Kool-Aid Browning. Personal injury is no joke. Just ask him.
Injured? Take a breath. Call Coy.
Check out the soaps, bath bombs, and other bath and body products, all made by hand with natural ingredients at Hub City Soapery. Visit us at 1092 North Ferdon Boulevard in Crestview or shop online at hubcitysoapery.com. Hub City Soapery.
This is Tiffany Woodham, State Farm's newest agent in Crestview. I'd like to personally invite you to stop by my office for a no-cost policy review. Let me help you start saving today. Call in, walk in, or click in at yourcrestviewagent.com.
It's Alex Barthay from the UPS store once again, and I wanted to let you know about our Sunday hours. We're open now 7 days a week. Normal hours that you've been expecting, but now we're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and that's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
For years, I proudly served Florida as a state trooper. During that time, I investigated over 1,000 car, motorcycle, and trucking crashes. My mission was simple, to help the victims. Now, as an injury attorney, I can do even more to help accident victims. Hi, I'm attorney Coy Browning. If you've been injured in a